Hello everyone, today we are in BM again to have some good food here. There's a famous BM yam rice on Jalan Murti in BM town. So let's go and check it out. So this is Jalan Murti. It's actually quite near to the old BM train station. So if you come, you see this kedai BM yam rice kopitiam. So actually the coffee shop is quite big. Quite a lot of tables. Still very busy. It's about 1:30 now. Still a lot of people. There's actually more seating at the side there also. That's the side entrance next door. More seating here, but it's all full. We have to wait for our table. Cao vị lắm. Bò lăng cà xì lắm. Chăm cá léo là. Lúc cá léo chạy mà. Chăm là. So we got our table in about 10 minutes, but there's a 45-minute wait for the food. Wow, finally after 45 minutes the food arrived. So it comes with the tuka, the intestine, the mixed soup. Egg and the tofu. Oh, it's in the bowl, one bowl of the yam rice. So you can see the rice with pieces of yam. And it's cooked with the heavy, the dried shrimp. So it's very fragrant. This one is the chili with the black soya sauce and sambal. So you have to coat your meat in this. So usually you have all the meat and the rice mixed together with the soup. And this one is the soya sauce pork leg. Also they have a lot of spare parts and also the salted vegetable. So the soup itself is savoury and a bit sourish from this salted vegetable actually. Well, the yam rice is really good. I think it's very fragrant. You can taste all the heavy, the dried shrimp taste with the yam. And the yam also is soft. It's not lumpy or anything. This is my second bowl of rice. I ordered one more, so I'm having 3 bowls of rice. But the rice itself actually not much right? 3 bowls is actually quite easily, can easily finish it no problem. So, but just be prepared to wait a little bit. It's a bit busy during lunchtime, and it's open until 3 o'clock. So do come and try it out if you're in BM. Oh, so that was quite a satisfying lunch now, guys. It's almost 3 o'clock, 2:50 now. Took us about 10 minutes to wait for a table, 45 minutes for the food to arrive, and only about 20-30 minutes to finish our lunch. But I think it's really good to come here if you like to eat something savoury, sour and salty. I think it's a good choice lah. Quite tasty and satisfying lah. I ate 3 bowls of rice as I told you. So let's see how many you can eat if you come. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Bye bye.